How to connect nodes, Botpress. So first go to Botpress and then just open one of your bots. So just click on Edit in Studio here. And then once you've done that, you're going to be transferred here. So once you're here, you just need to click on Workflows here. And then these are your nodes. So to connect your nodes, for example, I'm going to add a new node. So just add a text node here. Then I'll just add test. So to connect your nodes from this one to here, what you can do here is just, you can see this small circle here, and then just drag it to the next circle from your next node, and then drag the next circle again to the end. Okay, and there you go. Now they're all connected. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.